Guys, I've finally found a face wash that actually works. This is Glorify Men's Face Wash. I use it every morning because it removes all the oil and dirt without making my skin feel dry. My face feels fresh, clean, and looks brighter in just one wash. If you deal with oily skin or breakouts, you seriously need to try this. Trust me, once you try Glorify, you'll never want to switch back. Have you ever wondered how some creators are pumping out viral AI videos almost every day without spending hours editing or learning complicated prompts? It almost looks like they have an entire production team working behind the scenes. But what if one AI platform could actually handle most of that work for you? Today, I'm putting Flova AI to the test. Flova is an AI-native video creation agent platform. This isn't just another AI video generator that spits out random results after a single prompt. Instead, it's designed to work alongside you throughout the entire creative process. Whether you want to recreate a trending video, produce cinematic scenes, build product advertisements, or create content for social media, Flova promises to do it all from one platform. So, let's find out. The first thing that impressed me was one of Flova's most interesting workflows, the product commercial skill. I'm going to create a men's face wash advertisement using just a single product image. Before generating anything, I first added a simple product brief into Flova's project documents, including the product benefits, target audience, brand tone, and campaign goal. This gives Flova the context it needs throughout the entire creative process. Once the image is uploaded, Flova analyzes the product, understands its design, branding, colors, and overall premium aesthetic, then starts building a complete advertising concept around it. From cinematic hero shots and luxury environments to professional camera movements and commercial-style visuals, everything is generated automatically. What I like is that Flova isn't just creating random product shots. It's actually building a structured advertisement designed to showcase the product in the most appealing way possible. Everything is also organized inside Flova's canvas mode, where I can easily see my product assets, storyboard, generated shots, and different ad versions in one visual workspace. Let's see what kind of face wash commercial Flova can create. Next, I also want to test another skill called avatar product ads. Instead of creating only cinematic product shots, this workflow generates realistic digital humans and virtual avatars to produce highly authentic UGC-style product advertisements. I'll use the same face wash image, and Flova automatically creates a virtual presenter that introduces the product in a natural and engaging way. This is a great option for brands, e-commerce sellers, and marketers who want realistic promotional videos without filming with real actors or creators. Using the same product and campaign context, I also created multiple ad variations with different hooks and presentation styles, making it easy to compare which creative direction works best before publishing. One of the generated shots wasn't exactly what I wanted, so instead of regenerating the entire advertisement, I simply edited that single shot. Flova updated only that scene, saving both time and credits. After testing both the product commercial skill and the avatar product ad skill, I can definitely see why Flova is gaining so much attention. What impressed me most is that everything happens inside a single platform. From planning and organizing projects to generating storyboards, characters, scenes, animations, and final videos, the entire workflow feels incredibly streamlined. Another one of Flova's core modules is its visual timeline. Once all the assets are generated, Flova automatically organizes everything into an editable timeline, making it easy to adjust scene order, clip duration, voiceover, music, and timing before exporting the final video. Flova gives you access to multiple AI models inside one workspace. And looking ahead, Flova will integrate Cdance 2.5 from day one. More importantly, Flova goes far beyond simply adding a new model. Through its skills, Flova combines official best practices, emerging community techniques, and proven creator workflows to help creators unlock Seedance 2.5's full creative potential. Instead of juggling multiple subscriptions and constantly switching between websites, everything you need is available in one place. That alone makes the workflow much faster, especially when you're creating content regularly. Whether you're creating short-form content, building marketing campaigns, producing client work, or simply experimenting with new ideas, Flova gives you a much faster way to bring those concepts to life. And because everything is controlled through simple conversation, you spend less time fighting with prompts and more time focusing on creativity. Stop juggling AI tools. Start creating in one intelligent workspace. Flova isn't just another AI video generator or another all-in-one platform. It's an AI-native video agent that helps you plan, organize, review, iterate, and produce videos within a single creative workflow. Use the link in my description to register and get 100 free credits instantly. You'll also receive 200 credits for every new user you invite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.